We probably look absolutely hideous right now. We've been on a bus from Panama City to David for about 7 hours overnight. Grace didn't sleep very much. I didn't think I did, but apparently I did, because I thought the journey was about an hour, but it was actually about 7. And now we are getting on what is called a chicken bus to Boquete, and apparently they pack everyone in like chickens. Hello everyone, here are some dogs. They're probably rabid, so I'm not going to go near them because I have not been vaccinated. Here's Matty J.
Hello, I'm Matty.
This is our new friend. I do know your name.
Ahi.
Ahi. We are currently on our first hike, which is to go see the Lost Waterfalls. I'm so excited. This is tiring already. We're 1 minute in. I've lost everyone because if I walk slowly on a hike, I feel like I'm melting into the ground. We've reached waterfall number 1! On to the second waterfall! Matilda just fell! Oh my god, look at my bag! We switched to waterproof GoPro because we don't think that the normal GoPro is going to be good in a waterfall. We're at the waterfall and I've been peer pressured to climb through the rocks, which I'm terrified about. Horrible! Don't like it! I've lost everyone and I'm just in a pool of rock, hoping that someone will find me in the middle of this waterfall. Adventuring. This is problem being like the least athletic because you do not have the coordination of the balance. The rocks are so slippy, the water is so cold. It looks absolutely amazing. Just one of the coolest things. And finally off to waterfall number 3! Happy place. And we made it to waterfall number 3! It is day 2 in Boquete and we are on our second hike, this time just to one waterfall, and we're just at the beginning now and it should take us a couple of hours. We're looking for quetzalli, which is the bird of Central America, and we think that it is somewhere near here, up in these trees, but we have to be fairly quiet. I think we've reached the waterfall and it looks stunning. Essentially the most mystical lunch we've ever had, and it was lovely, and now we're gonna head back. Matilda almost hits the moment.